We're good with it, y'all. I don't even know how I'm about to do this whole little deal, like of me kind of vlogging what I've been doing or whatever. Cause honestly, I ain't been showing y'all not a lot, cause I just been working so much. But today, what's on the agenda is I had to finish these Rick and Morty customs. Bam. You know, the other shoe right here. So I'll give y'all, I'm gonna throw y'all some shots of that. Me painting these and everything. And then after that, I got some other little freelance work to do because I'm gonna be doing a huge drop on my website a few times before this year is out. So I gotta get a Black Friday. I'm going to have a Black Friday sale. Of course, you know, the Christmas sale, holidays, all that kind of stuff. And on top of that, I gotta do the collection of, you know, my custom pieces of clothing and everything like that. And I'm doing another sneaker event December 11th. It's gonna be the same place in Memphis, the Sneak Fest. So if y'all want to come through there, pull up, kick it with your boy, December 11th. And then I'm going back to the flea market. I believe that's gonna be November, I think the 22nd or something like that. I forgot exactly when it is. I'll update y'all on that one, but I got a lot of work to do, man, and not much time. So let's get it. Alright, this is what we looking like so far, y'all. Lady in the background now, I'm doing a little detail work on that little portal. And now we finna get back to it. Alright, y'all, this is what we looking like right about now. The portal is complete. Now it's time to go ahead and add the little black. The other shoe, I'm gonna do something a little bit different to it, you know what I'm saying? But for this one, it's I ain't gonna say simple, but you know, just going the regular like black Galaxy background. But the next one, we going big old braids, you know, yeah. Alright, y'all, this is how they looking right now. I got them little speckles and all that kind of stuff on them. I'm probably put some lightning on them too and everything. But right now I gotta go. I don't know if I see it nothing better, but man, you annoying. I gotta take my tuxedo back because I was at my cousin's wedding. I actually had to be in the wedding and all that kind of stuff. So no, I don't have no pictures of that. Didn't have time to do all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I gotta return that tuxedo, so finna go handle that. Alright, man, we about to go on and head up to this tuxedo shop. The drip is extremely light right now, so I just got a little Michael Jackson hoodie that I made, and just some regular jeans and what are you talking? The Georgetown 3. So you know, it's very light. So let's just go and go get that.
You can use the short corner. Rebound the ball.
Look at my boy, man. Getting it in, man. Getting it in. It is 11:16. End of the day, man. We just wrapped up. We wrapping up stuff around this guy, man. I'm gonna show y'all kicks we just got finished. You know, Forces working on earlier. Focus up, camera, please and thank you. There you go. Yeah, these I really like how these came out. Yeah, they nasty. The colors are crazy on here. Nice and fall light. Here the other ones right next to them. You know, yeah. Fire. Defer. But yeah, man. That's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. You know, I'm looking rough. It doesn't matter. I'm getting chicken. Make sure you like the video and subscribe. Join the squad, you hear me? And I'ma catch you in the next vlog. You hear me?